What's up, guys? Today, we're going to be building connection trail for all of our future downhill trails. Now, I want to personally thank everyone that gave an idea for what we should do with that massive pile of rocks. I'm going to leave a poll right above, which you can click on. Choose your favorite idea, and we're going to be doing that in a future video. Thank you so much. This trail, sadly, will be more functional than it is fun. This is mainly to connect to future downhill trails that we will be building eventually. Sadly, the area we're building on has absolutely zero natural bench. So we had no choice but to use an ancient technique used by the Incan people. This technique is called terracing. Terracing is basically like building your own bench out of the hill. The Incans used it for crops. We're going to be using it for our bikes. After some questionable clearing, we continued to terrace the land. So basically, we got to figure out a way to make a bridge because this isn't very stable. It's just roots. Under that is just like a hole. So it should be kind of fun. Wish us luck. Time to test it. Sadly, you're not going to be able to go very fast, and it won't be too much of a fun trail. However, it will be functional. We will be able to connect trails off of it and have a lot of cool new trails. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.